Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca of the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. Another minor winter storm has come and gone. Minor in the sense that the accumulations range anywhere from about 1 to 4 inches statewide, most in the northern suburbs. Though Woonsocket actually picked up 5 inches of snow. Burrillville had 4, and the amounts were much lower towards the south shore. Temperatures now near the freezing mark. We're mainly cloudy in Providence. These pictures taken as of about 7:30 this evening. Skies will gradually clear out. The concern, though, would be for some areas of black ice later on this evening and during the overnight. So Woonsocket checked in at 5. That was more the exception rather than the rule. Statewide, it was generally 1 to 3 with the much lower amounts, inch or less near the south shore. Cumberland 3. John from Burrillville, it's not listed here, but Burrillville got checked in with 4 inches of snow. 3.3 North Smithfield, North Situate 2.5, Fall River 2, and the airport in Warwick just shy of 2 inches of snow. Now temperatures as of 7:30. Notice it's in the upper 20s to low 30s. So the pavement is wet, whether it's your walkway, a driveway, a parking lot, some of the streets, and with temperatures that will actually be falling well below freezing later on this evening and overnight towards daybreak. Whatever's wet will crystallize into some black ice. All roads are down to bare pavement, but they're wet. And with falling temperatures, well, the net result would be some areas of black ice. So be mindful of that tonight through at least daybreak tomorrow. So watching the black ice overnight. Your Tuesday is dry overall. Next chance for messy weather is scheduled for Wednesday night, starting as snow, but it looks like a quick change to a sleet mixture, then eventually rain later Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Now this all starts after 7 o'clock Wednesday evening, and because of the anticipated switch over to sleet, ice, and rain, I think snowfall accumulations are going to be pretty limited, maybe an inch or two, if that, before the changeover to some sleet and some rain. All right, here's your satellite and radar composite. It's really quiet here in New England. We'll widen out the view a little bit, and you can see the northeast doing better now with drier air coming in. Watching our next system for Wednesday night, a disturbance coming out of the Rockies. That's circled right there, and you see this plume of moisture on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, right in here. This is a strong Pacific jet off the Pacific Ocean. This moisture coming in across Texas and into the Midwest. So what will happen is both these features will work in tandem to develop a storm across the southern plains, and then this eventually will track north and east, arriving here on Wednesday night. Let me put this into the future for you right here. Now by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, you see this storm system across the middle of the country, and then this will track north and east. That shading of blue represents snow. This is Wednesday evening around 10 o'clock. So a quick burst for maybe 2-3 hours of some wet snow. Then we go over to some sleet, freezing rain, and then all rain. So by Thursday morning, 7 a.m., all that green is rain. And temperatures will actually be well above freezing on Thursday, especially during the afternoon hours. We'll get in real close, and we're going to walk you through this, at least in the short term. And starting off at 7 o'clock this evening, skies clearing out. Watch the temperatures drop. Water on the roads freezes up, black ice. Here we are, 7 a.m. with temps only upper teens to low 20s. So icy start, but bright sunshine. And really sunshine all day long. Temperatures by afternoon, watch they'll jump into the upper 20s to low to mid 30s. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, skies are clear and dry. And really quiet weather through all of Tuesday day and into Tuesday night. So your forecast for this evening, clearing, falling temps. Watch for the icy areas and some of that black ice. Tomorrow morning, we are looking at an icy start at daybreak. Temperatures starting off in the low 20s early with plenty of sunshine. So a dry start to the day, and we'll keep sunshine throughout really a better part of the day. Temperatures running a little below average, a definite chill early in the morning, and then during the afternoon we should recover to probably about 30-35, sunshine and some fair weather clouds. Now we jump ahead on the 7-day forecast, and this next system I'm going to keep an eye on is for Wednesday night, and again probably sometime after 7 o'clock. Starts as snow, but a quick change to ice and then eventually rain. It's going to limit snowfall accumulations, though it doesn't limit the travel impact Wednesday night. Thursday morning, it's well above freezing, especially during the afternoon. So morning rain and then drying out Thursday afternoon. Temperatures well above freezing. Friday and Saturday are quiet. Next system on Sunday looks like we're leaning towards rain with a temperature at 45. So the concern in the short term would be wet surfaces tonight, freezing into black ice overnight into early tomorrow morning. Then another mess on the way for Wednesday night, but not a lot of snow with this. A quick change to rain is anticipated, so perhaps some small accumulations, if that. In the meantime, new information is always coming in. Check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock and again at 11 o'clock on Eyewitness News for a weather update. Thanks for logging in, and have a good evening.